What's up guys, Vyminal back at it again with another video, and this is a very special video because we just got a package from Logitech, a very special package. This is the Logitech G Pro X headset, brand new, just arrived in Philippine shores, and I'm here to unbox this bad boy. Now this is something different that from what you'd see in like a retail store. Because like this is a really large box. It's a really big box. So I'm guessing this is like a media package that they send out for review. So here you can see their tagline, "One purpose, play to win." That's the tagline of the Pro peripheral series from Logitech, and something that I pretty much resonate with, I think. I've owned quite a few of Logitech's G Pro peripherals, and I'm very satisfied with a lot of them. And I expect to be really satisfied with the G Pro X headset as well. Now, I've been really excited to unbox and receive this package. Just a quick disclaimer, Logitech did send this to me for free for review. So just putting it out there. And this video is just going to be mainly an overview / unboxing of the product. So let's take this sleeve so we can reveal the actual box. So we're going to put this to the side over here. And it reveals the actual box, and it says here, "Hear like a pro, sound like a pro," because the G Pro X. The premise of the G Pro X is that it has built-in Blue voice mic technology, which is supposed to sound a hell of a lot better than just about any other headset mic out on the market right now. And also, it features the same 50mm drivers from the G935 Logitech gaming headset. And it's supposed to give you pretty much close to reference audio in-game. So there you go. Hear like a pro, sound like a pro. That's the premise of the product. So unboxing the thing, it actually looks really impressive. Like right off the bat, this makes a great first impression. Opening it up, we have the actual retail packaging on the left side over here, and an included headset stand. Before we go into the inclusions of what's inside the actual box, let's go over the headset stand real quick. We have a logo over here, logo over here. It looks like a pretty standard headset stand that is pretty much designed to go along with the aesthetic of the G Pro X. There's also a rubber anti-slip material over here at the top so it doesn't fall over like that. So we're gonna put the headset stand over here to the right side, and looking over the box. Alright, very simplistic design, very minimalist. I really appreciate how Logitech designs their packaging. Like I've been saying this a lot, Logitech has like the best looking packaging right now, and if you put like all the Pro peripherals side by side, like they all pick one family and it looks really cool. And the Pro X is not an exception to that. So it showcases the product here on the front, inclusions here on the side, and of course, very minimalist, play to win at the back, just so you know. And I'd like to mention that I'm an avid Twitch viewer myself, aside from streaming and playing games on Facebook Gaming as well. I've been playing a lot of Apex Legends, and I've been watching a lot of pro players play, and I noticed that a lot of them use a lot of G Pro peripherals. You can see here on the side, there are sponsored teams, sponsored pro teams. TSM being my favorite Apex Pro team. They all use the Pro X. They all use the G Pro Wireless, G Pro TKL. It's pretty cool that to know that pro gamers depend on these peripherals as well. So basically, if you lose in game, you really can't blame your gear. That's the downside of having really good gear. You can't blame anything else except your skill. I already tested the product before shooting this video. So instead of me showing, how it looked like in the package, we're gonna gloss over what's included in the box. First thing, of course, other than the headset, is the Y splitter. This is the headset, we're gonna put it right here. Headset looking real cool. We're gonna take a closer look at this in just a bit. Carrying pouch, it feels very durable. And that's what's important. Feels water resistant as well. So we have the Y splitter over here, carrying pouch. Now, interesting, because the headset comes with two different sets of ear cups. The default is the leatherette version of the ear cups over here. It's very comfortable and it's what I prefer, but if you so choose, there's a stitched fabric version of the ear cups, and both are made of memory foam, both very comfortable, both will contour the shape of your ear and will fit, one size fits all, depending, it doesn't matter if your ears are really large or really small, it's gonna fit in really well. I have rather large ears, and when I put this on, it feels very comfortable. This is a feature that I really like about this mic. The mic is detachable. I know a big selling point of the headset is the microphone, the Blue Voice mic technology, built-in microphone. But, content creators like myself, pro gamers, professional streamers, or, people like us, we tend to have favorite microphones already, and we're probably going to be using a studio microphone. And this headset looks really sleek without the mic as well. So I really enjoy the fact that you can remove the microphone if you so choose. And of course, you can just plug it in when you need to use it on the go, or if you're at a LAN party or anywhere like that. Last inclusion is this. And the headset is compatible with like console or just about any 3.5mm audio input source. And you can plug in like an audio jack for stereo audio, just straight in, without any adapters and stuff like that. But it does come with a USB sound card, and it's plugged into my PC right now with the 3.5mm audio jack on the other end that plugs in right here. It's plugged into my PC right now, and that's where the G Pro X really shines, because it's integrated with Logitech G Hub software, and you can access like different EQ parameters, even download sound profiles from pro gamers, and use the same exact audio settings that they use to power their game. With the sound card of the headset, it allows you to use virtual surround sound technology as well. So there you go. And of course, using the USB sound card integrated with the Blue Voice mic technology, it automatically compresses the audio, automatically filters out noise from the ambience of your room. So it sounds really good. But let me tell you, using the microphone like this, it sounds very close to a broadcast quality condenser microphone, like a studio microphone, like an affordable studio microphone. Again, big selling point of the headset is the Blue Voice mic technology, and it's a resounding success in this case. Before we talk about how the headset sounds, let's talk about how it looks first and how it feels when I wear it. Leatherette finish over here at the top, aluminum body, like metal construction over here on the headset, and we have like chrome logo over here on the side. Very nice accent, because the whole headset is just matte black, very minimalist. You wouldn't really think of it as like a gaming product, you know what I mean? Like, that's been the theme of the Pro series peripherals. Like, it's made to be, a no frills product. Like, there's no unnecessary stuff with the product. You get really nice accents on the side to accentuate, the matte black finish. It kind of looks like the G Pro TKL keyboard, also looks like G Pro wireless, so obviously it's meant to fit as, like a family of products, and it works really well. Now, wearing the headset, I have rather large ears, and it fits my head like, perfectly. I've been wearing this headset for at least 12 hours a day. At least 12 hours a day. I barely ever use my desktop speaker set, and I rely on using headsets for just about everything that I do on my computer. And I've been wearing it for extended periods of time, been gaming on it for extended periods of time. It feels very comfortable. It's definitely built to be worn for a long time. I game in an air-conditioned room, but sometimes I turn the AC off when it's too cold outside. And it doesn't really feel warm wearing these headsets. It doesn't really heat up all that much. Like, I know a lot of people are worried about these leatherette ear cups getting too warm, or like your ear's gonna get sweaty or something like that. That didn't really happen to me, and if that happens to you, then maybe you should switch to the included fabric ear cups instead. But for me, comfort-wise, I still prefer the leatherette ones, and for me, they look like way cooler. and I didn't really have a problem with it despite using it for extended periods of time over 2 weeks. Audio is something that's really hard to express in words, and it's usually something that you should just hear for yourself because everyone has different ears and everyone has different tastes in how, how they like their headsets to sound. But basically, the G Pro X is designed to be really close to reference audio sources, and it's designed to make you hear the game the way it was designed to be heard by the developers. So with that said, the headsets will sound rather flat in terms of frequency response, with a little bit of accentuation in the low end frequencies, so you can hear those footsteps and gunshots and explosions in the distance. That's what I noticed, at least. Comparing it to like studio speakers or studio monitors, it sounds very, very similar. It's very crisp on the high end, very clear on the mid range, not muddy at all on the low frequencies, which is what we want nowadays. Especially pro gamers, you want to hear those team comms amid those gunfights. You want to hear those footsteps, those faint ambient noises that give you audio cues on where the enemy is, and that's how the G Pro was designed. Now, it has like virtual surround sound technology built in, and you might enjoy using that for movies or in some single player games. But obviously, when playing in a competitive setting like Apex Legends, for example, I just recommend using the stereo mode. And that's how I play the game. That's how I know a lot of pro players play the game. They play in stereo mode. And I think it gives you a more accurate sound stage when you're playing in stereo mode. But the option of virtual surround sound is there. However, I do think it sounds better without virtual surround sound. And that's the case with a lot of different headsets out on the market right now. We have a reasonably priced headset at around $129 right? Used by a lot of pro teams. And TSM being my favorite. Very comfortable to wear for extended gaming periods. I've used this for over 12 hours a day for the past 2 weeks. Very comfortable. It comes with customizable ear cups, your choice of fabric or leatherette. Comes with a Y splitter for great compatibility for console or PC or just about any device that can fit a 3.5mm audio jack. Detachable microphone, yes. Also, the cable is like really long. It's running through my computer right now. It's like 5-6 meters, really long. Comes with a carrying pouch, so when you go to a LAN or a tournament, you're all set. Really great package. This is the direct successor of the G Pro from Logitech, and they basically improved on their previous product by, upgrading the weakest link of that product, and it was a microphone. Like, it was a decent sounding microphone for team comms, but now you have like something that's close to broadcast quality. And other headsets have promised broadcast quality microphones. It simply is not true. But this one takes the cake, guys. The G Pro X takes the cake. So that's it for this quick unboxing and video overview of the Logitech G Pro X gaming headset. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again, Logitech, for sending me this awesome package. I'm gonna go back to playing Apex Legends. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Vyminal. I'll catch you next time.